Hello there, welcome to Genessis Models. My name is Bobby Waldron, and in this vlog we're going to be taking a look at the current group build and who is the winner of it, as well as our usual competition. So last month in May we had the competition for, which was our month's competition, which was for the Spitfire Mark 16 bubble top by Edard 148 scale, and it is the Probably Pack edition, so we get all that nice bit of extra photo etch and canopy masks and all that goody stuff. So after doing my usual random number generation program, counting down threads both on YouTube and the Genesis Model Forum, I came to Crisbo. So congratulations to you, Crisbo. Hopefully I've pronounced that right. You are the winner. So I'm going to give you an email and get this shipped out to you free of charge. We do have June's competition coming up later on, but first off I want to get dug in with this GB. So with this GB, 6 months ago, you might have remembered around about Christmas we started up a new group build, and it was basically 1/32 scale or bigger. It was all about doing bigger models. I mean, you know, we do sort of get set in our ways with maybe a scale. I know I'm quite I tend to go for the 1/48 scale, which is sort of like the scale I like to go for, but it is nice to get out those bigger kits and do something bigger, do loads more detail, and you know, things are done slightly different, you know, due to scale effect and all those cool things. So it was kind of cool to do a group build of this, and we've got some fantastic work to show you. Now, as always, it is absolutely hard to go off and pick who's the winner, who's going to win a trophy, because everyone who's entered obviously has done some fantastic work, and we saw some fantastic models in here. So let's just start off with third place. Now, third place was quite a bit of a tie between second and third place. Both of your work was absolutely exceptional. Absolutely love looking at all the fantastic pictures you've done, but in the end I did have to pick Timbo's work. Timbo's work is of a 1/32 scale Spitfire by Tamiya. Absolutely gorgeous bit of work. I can see from the pictures here he's done a nice little base to go with it, but we have got all those professional techniques going on. You know, the spray work, the weathering, everything is all absolutely gorgeous. He's even gone off and did an absolutely gorgeous bit of work on the engine section itself, which is all looking really cool. I do believe it's all magnetized, so you can take off the engine cowl and stuff, I do believe. Again, absolutely cracking work and a cracking kit as well, which then brings us to second place. Second place, as I say, was quite close with third place. Second place goes to VDBO 76. Congratulations for your 1/32 scale Edard P40N Warhawk. Also, you know, stunning piece of work. All those professional techniques are going on with this. The weathering, the spray work, it's all great, it's all spot on. You can see the canopies look absolutely crystal clear. Loving the decals. You know, just absolutely, again, a top-notch kit and well deserving of second place, which then brings us to first place, or as we like to call it, the Top Gun. Top Gun, nice to get their name on the Top Gun trophy, which is in the other room at the, shall we say, Genesis Models HQ, which is also good to go with your other trophy. So first place, I think it is without a shadow of a doubt. I mean, you all seem to love this. I love this. It is pretty clearly going to be D-Doc 666 for our Top Gun. He did an absolutely stunning wingnut wings 1/32 scale Albatross DV. There's a nice bit of a diorama going on with this. Just looking at the pictures, spray work again looks absolutely stunning. The model itself, but if you look at the diorama side of things, even the diorama is like up there as some nice professional level. We've got miniatures going on also, which they've also been painted to a very high level. Engine on show, absolutely everything. some nice pictures, photography of, you know, some internal detail as well. Again, it's all absolutely top-notch professional model of building. So congratulations to all of you who've won a trophy. I'll give you an email and get mailing addresses and ship you your trophies out free of charge. Which now brings us to what is going to be June's competition. So what we've got is a Airfix kit here, which is the 1/72nd scale. I do believe it's the Bowfighter, yeah, TF10 by Airfix. Nice cracking kit here. If you want to be in it to win it, as always, go to the Genessis Models website in the forum section under competitions for June 2018 and post anything, some sort of, you know, count me in or something to that effect, or even just comment, and you'll be entered. As well as you can also comment down below on YouTube, again, some sort of comment, feedback, whatever, and you're simply entered, and I'll do the usual random number generation program, count down the thread, and pick out our winner for the July vlog. Now that's all competitions. We've sorted out the last GB. The next GB coming up for the second half of 2018 is not been decided yet. In fact, this time around I normally go off and put some threads up on the forum and let you lot go off and actually vote for what's going to be the next GB. But this time round, to be totally honest with you, I forgot to put up the voting for it, so I think this time I'm just going to go off and pick it myself. But I want to pick something that is, shall we say, a subject we don't normally sort of pick on. It's a subject which would be really good for you lot to sort of bring your modelling to sort of like another level, because I do believe it's always good to jump into the different types of modelling. I mean, if you're a big time aircraft modeler, you know, it's always good to maybe touch into tanks, touch into cars, because there's different techniques and things that you can learn, and that's what this next group build's going to be all about. We're going to jump into dioramas. So the next group build is just all about dioramas. Doesn't matter if you put a kit with it, build a plane, build a tank, build figures. You do whatever you want. You want to put whatever with it, as long as it's a diorama of something. It could be themed, a theatre of war. You could, and as I say, you can put whatever kit you want with it. You know, it's just all about dioramas. So yeah, hopefully you're going to get in on that, and you know, again in 6 months time I'll, you know, announce the winners, send out trophies, all that cool stuff, and that's going to start the 1st of July. So hopefully you're going to get in on that. You've got like now a month to get ready, decide what kind of diorama you want to do and prepare for it, ready for the 1st of July where it will start. So I'm hoping to see a load of you get in on that, because I mean, let's face it, it's a diorama. You've probably got maybe an aircraft or a tank that you're working on already. What's it going to hurt to go off and just do a little base, bit of a diorama thing, and put your aircraft, your tank on there? You know, it's going to be all good for everybody. So yeah, again, hopefully you're going to get in on that. But that's it now for this vlog here at Genessis Model. So until next time, my name is Bobby Waldron, and I hope you've enjoyed.